Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my go-to glam makeup look. This is the exact look I create whenever I don't have time to think of a new look, or every time I have a photo shoot or an event I have to go to and I don't have time to think about what shadows to use. I use this palette every time I do this look. It's my go-to palette and my go-to look, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And before we get started, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, as you can see, my eyes are already primed. I'm going into my Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going to take these two shades right here. They're called Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange. I'm going to put these two shades right here in the crease, just in my upper crease. You're not gonna see the color as much, but that's okay. I'm going on top of that with whirl, which is that orange shade right here. It's going to give me that pop of orange on the top. It gives me a slight hint of orange. For my outer lid and my crease, I'm going to be using Cypress Umber, which is one of my favorite shades from this palette. I want this look to be super smoky, so I'm packing it on little by little to get the pigment that I want, and then blend it upwards just a little bit. So now I'm going to blend it upwards and slightly inwards. I'm going to keep blending until everything is well blended. If the color fades a little bit, you can dip back into the shadow. I usually blend for about at least a minute or two just to get everything to be well blended. I am going to cut my crease a little bit just so I can have a little bit more lid space for my eyeshadow. For my lid, I'm going to be using this color right here. After I dip my brush in, I am going to spray it just to get more color payoff. I am blending it a little bit towards the dark shade just so I can blend it out a little bit more so there are no harsh lines. I'm going back into Cypress Amber and I'm going to use that to smoke out my outer crease just a little bit more and to also blend a little bit more into the lid shade. And then I'm going back into this shade right here and blend the top. I'm going in with the shade Vermeer and use that on my brow bone. For my foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the color 430. It looks like this. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to be using my Mercier loose setting powder to set my highlight and the rest of my face. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to be using Cypress Amber one more time to smoke out my bottom lashes, and then I'm going to blend it out with whirl. I'm going to be using Vermeer, which is the brow bone shade. I'm going to use that in my inner tear duct. I'm going to be using my Kat Von D waterproof liquid eyeliner to line my eyes. I'm going to put on some lashes. I think these are Adele Wispies. I'm going to be using my Pure Cosmetics highlight and contour palette. I'm going to be using the shade Founder right here, and I'm going to use that to kind of bronze my face a little bit. I'm going to be using my NYX Born to Glow highlight. Looks like this. I'm going to use a little bit of mascara to blend my real lashes into the falsies. Lastly, what I'm going to do is do my lips. I'm going to be using my MAC Chestnut and MAC Whirl lipstick. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel for videos every week, and I'll talk to you guys back on my next video. Bye.